Hey everyone, just a quick video today. I just wanted to show you how to take off the front fairing on your XMAX 300 so you can get access to your battery. You probably want to do this if you want to add heated grips or add a charger to your bike. Okay, so the only tools you'll need already come with the bike, and that's only 2 Allen keys. Okay, so in your Yamaha toolkit, you should find 2 Allen keys, one 4mm one and one 5mm. We only need the 4mm one today. So we can start by taking off the bolts on these little winglets here. There's one Allen key there, and then the other one is there. So the other bolts that we need to take out are just these 2 here in front of the speedometer. Okay, so once you have these 4 bolts undone, you should be able to take off the front fairing now. So I had to take my mirrors off my bike because they were getting in the way of the fairing, because you have to lift them up. You can see that my mirrors sort of dig into the plastic. So if you have stock mirrors, then this shouldn't be a problem. So to take this fairing off, you want to grab underneath this little winglet here, just by the plastic bit here, and you should feel it unclip like so. So you see that it's unclipped now, and then to fully take it off, you want to grab underneath this fairing bit here, and it should unclip like that. You see where it clips in. So you do the same thing on the other side, unclip here and then unclip on this side. Voila. Once that's done, you can simply grab underneath the plastic in front of the headlight and pull it off. As you can see, mine has a lot of To put the fairing back on, you want to lead with this middle plastic bit underneath the screen here. So there, you got it roughly on, and then you simply guide it back to where it clips on. So like this, and then make sure this tab there clicks on, and give it a little push, and you should feel it snap in place. And then the same thing on this side, you just want to guide it into its place and clip it on. Make sure to just push everything in, make sure it all clips in and that everything is lined up where it should be. Once everything's lined up, then you simply just have to put these bolts back into their original place. They're all the same bolts, so it doesn't matter which ones you put in which hole. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you liked what you saw and this provided value to you, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be putting out more videos like this. Once again, stay safe and ride safe. Peace.